A strategy process usually works like you're hiring a management consulting, they're delivering some PowerPoint presentations, you present these PowerPoint presentations to the staff, and the staff had to execute that. We do it a different way here, so we just came up with the idea, let's do it bottom up and involve our employees into that overall process.
Actually, I like the idea of developing the strategy bottom up very much because of the enthusiasm and the creativity brought up from all over the team.
So we came up with the idea to define 17 different topics and also ask our people what they would like to see in the strategy. And then we asked for volunteers, and about 160 people volunteered for this process. Finally, and then about 19 teams, and they worked over the last couple of months developing the strategies for the individual projects.
It's usually a top management task, now done by us, and we really work together in really diverse teams. And it was really interesting also to work together with people you usually never work together. So I really enjoyed it so far.
I really also like the idea that everyone could participate and people could really join different groups which have nothing to do with their general topic, as well as with the general topic if they were interested. So I really liked it.
It was very amazing, very interesting, very different tales and amazing show.
This bottom-up strategy process generates so much good ideas and so much commitment, and I really loved the way it was presented today, and we could see it was a lot of fun.
So when you think about modern let's say strategies and how they're developed, there's a very easy framework. It's called people, product equals profit. And today was all about the first pillar, people, because you're not building anything successful if you don't have the people on board.
I like that format because I worked in a cross-functional team and we were self-organized. In that team we had people which had deep knowledge in the topic.
So we had at the end 3 goals. One is obviously to define the strategy. The second one is really to foster the strategic thinking within the organization. And the third one was more cultural aspect. And looking into the results of the 2 sessions, I think we achieved all 3 of them. So the overall atmosphere was great. We had a lot of creativity in the room. And overall, I think it was just a huge success. And I'm actually very proud of the teams.
Today was the start of a quite exciting journey, because from there we are going to define and complement the solutions we are already developing. With the second pillar, what we're already running with the products, it's going to be a bright future for Metro and bright profit.
For me, this cultural change is amazing and the best what could happen to Metro.
It was a cool idea. I'm looking forward now to really execute these topics.
So what are the next steps? We defined now the strategy, and it's now about strategy execution. So we asked the team whether they want to continue with their projects. That's what's going to happen for most of the teams. So a lot of projects are coming up, and I'm really looking forward to the results and the next phase of this whole initiative.